Starview's ERB Series semi-automatic rotary type heat sealers are designed for medium to higher volume production requirements where a full-featured machine is desired. These machines feature a color touchscreen, HMI, and PLC machine function control for simple operation. 6 and 8 station models are available with nominal seal areas of 14 by 18 inches or 18 by 24 inches. These machines can be configured for conventional carded blisters, trap blisters, club store trap packages, full face blisters, and half-clamshell styles, as well as applications using Tyvek, foils, and other heat sealable lid stock for a wide range of products just by changing the heat seal tooling. Shown here is an optional finished package unloader permanently attached to the machine. The conveyor is integrated with the unloader and can be programmed from the HMI to run continuously or advance a specific distance for package cartoning. Starview's ERB Series rotary heat sealers are designed to include an optional automatic card feeding system and automatic package discharge system. Our modular plug-and-play type design allows these units to be added to existing ERB machines at any time. Machines may be ordered without these options when lower production rates are needed. As production requirements increase, these options can be ordered and user installed to provide increased productivity. Contact us to learn more about the Starview Advantage.